Hi everyone, in this video let's try to set up RIP in these routers R1, R2, and R3. First, let's try to assign IP addresses to all the devices and interfaces. Okay, got here R1. Let's, let's change the name to R1. Go to interface 00, and that is facing R2. Let's set an IP address to 252. No shut. And let's go to gigabit 0/1 towards PC0. Set up the gateway to 168.100.1 subnet /24 and then no shut. Now let's go to R2, change the name, go to gigabit 00 and assign an IP address 10.10.10.1 and then no shut. And to check it, okay, it's up. And let's configure the gigabit 0/1 facing R3. No shut. Alright, so let's go to R3 and configure both interfaces. First is interface towards R2. No shut, IP address 20, interface 00, IP address 172.16.101. No shut. Okay, so let's try to set an IP to our PC. 172.168. This is 192.168.100.10. Gateway is 100.1. PC1 172.16.100.10. Let's change this to /24. Alright, they're all set. So now let's try to rename this first. Alright, so now let's try to configure the RIP version 2. Let's try to go to R1 first. Alright, first check all the interfaces to see the IP addresses. Show IP interface brief. Alright, so we need to advertise two IP addresses or network. Router, RIP, version 2, no auto summary to advertise the exact subnet, and then advertise the network in C or any network that you want to advertise. That's it. And to check, show IP protocols. See it here. advertise to networks, and it's all set. Let's go now to R2 and do the same. Do show IP route for me to easily see the network that I'm going to advertise. And it's all set. Right, so here in R2 we can now see the network 192.168.100 from R1 via RIP. So it was learned by RIP. This one we also learned here the link to entry. So network 20 should be able to see here. Here. Okay, so let's configure R3. Right, so from R3 we can see two networks that was learned from by RIP. The 10, which is between R2 and R1, and the 192.168.100, which is connected directly from in R1. So since the route is available, PC1 should be able to see the PC0. Failed first due to ARP resolution. And that's it. That's how you configure RIP.